during an FHA inspection, the appraiser is going to verify that all the electrical outlets are operational. So here's an example of one that is working. All right, that's working correctly. And then over here, we figured this out, that this one is not working. So the lights aren't coming on. So it's showing that there is not any power to this electrical outlet. That would be a violation of FHA, of the FHA inspection, and would require this outlet to be repaired. Thanks for watching.